Sidus Space is sharpening into focus in more and more investor telescopes as it expands its capabilities beyond satellite manufacturing into integrated space-based data services, AI analytics, and defense technologies. For example, Sidus and HEO USA successfully received the first on-orbit images from HEO USA's Holmes Mk1 non-Earth imaging camera aboard the LizzieSat-3 satellite. The images were captured while the satellite passed over Victoria, Australia, validating the integrated sensor capabilities of the spacecraft. The Holmes Mk1 camera is designed to observe resident space objects, such as satellites and other orbital assets, helping improve space domain awareness by enabling monitoring and tracking of objects in orbit. An increasingly vital ability as more and more stuff gets launched into orbit, and old satellites and debris contribute to more space junk around the Earth. The successful imaging confirmed that LizzieSat-3's multi-sensor platform is functioning as intended. Prior commissioning had already validated core spacecraft systems, including avionics, power, communications, and guidance, along with feather-edge onboard computing and automatic identification system, AIS, sensors used for maritime tracking. The satellite demonstrated the ability to support advanced technologies while producing imagery with sub-5 meter resolution, suitable for both commercial and defense applications. LizzieSat-3 incorporates advanced technologies such as hybrid 3D printed structural components, modular payload integration, and AI-enhanced onboard data processing. These features allow the spacecraft to handle multiple mission types and deliver Earth observation and space-based data services to government, defense, and commercial clients. Following the initial imaging success, HEO USA will continue calibrating the camera while Sidus prepares the satellite for full multi-mission operations. Sidus Space is also expanding its Earth observation capabilities through a new partnership with Simerasense. The company signed a memorandum of understanding to develop next-generation hyperspectral imaging systems that include onboard data processing. Simerasense's optical payloads will be integrated with Sidus FeatherEdge hardware and Cielo AI software, enabling satellites to analyze data directly in orbit rather than relying entirely on ground-based processing. This approach could reduce data transmission demands and deliver faster insights, supporting applications in commercial, civil, and defense sectors. Another development involves the upcoming LizzieSat-4 mission. Sidus Space and Maristech have reached an integration milestone for a payload designed to demonstrate edge computing and video processing capabilities in orbit. Hardware testing is scheduled to begin before the payload is integrated onto the satellite ahead of its planned launch later this year. The mission aims to validate real-time data handling and analytics capabilities using the modular LizzieSat platform. Beyond satellite development, Sidus recently secured a position within the U.S. Missile Defense Agency's Scalable Homeland Innovative Enterprise Layered Defense SHIELD program. The program has a total ceiling of $151 billion and forms part of the broader Golden Dome missile defense strategy, which focuses on building layered protection against air, missile, space, cyber, and hybrid threats. The contract allows Sidus to contribute technologies such as AI systems, digital engineering tools, and open architecture solutions to support multi-domain defense operations. Sidus also recently raised capital through share offerings totaling more than $40 million combined, with proceeds intended for sales expansion, product development, manufacturing growth, and operational funding. Management-wise aerospace veteran Kelly Wendling, formerly president of the space systems sector at L3 Harris Technologies, was appointed to Sidus Space's board of directors. Then, for more moves from the growing space sector, use TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.